is to destroy and wipe out the militant group. In its pursuit of that goal, over 6,500 people have been killed in the Gaza Strip so far. This number is way more than the casualties inflicted by Israel on Palestinians in the last 15 years. But a few obstacles still remain in Israel's way. Number one, Hamas is still holding around 200 hostages, which includes Israelis and foreign nationals. Experts say that these hostages are being held at different locations across Gaza. Several countries whose hostages are still with Hamas have urged Israel to delay the offensive amid the ongoing negotiations. While Hamas militants are also hiding in a dense and vast network of tunnels. This tunnel warfare poses more tactical and logistical challenges for the IDF. Thirdly, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu must build a consensus within its war cabinet. That includes an opposition leader, given that Netanyahu's approval ratings have also tanked at home. Moreover, due to the high civilian death toll in Gaza, several countries have cautioned Israel against a ground invasion. In the latest, French President Emmanuel Macron says that a massive ground invasion could be a big mistake.
La France reconnaît le droit d'Israël à se défendre et à protéger ses populations. Mais elle le reconnaît dans un cadre qui est celui du respect des populations civiles. Et donc intervenir sur le plan terrestre, si c'est pour cibler des groupes terroristes de manière totalement identifiée, c'est un choix qui lui appartient et qui correspond à la définition que j'évoque. Si c'est une intervention massive qui met en danger la vie des populations civiles, alors je pense que c'est une erreur. Et c'est une erreur pour Israël aussi. Parce que ça n'est pas de nature à protéger dans la durée Israël, et parce que ça n'est pas compatible avec le respect des populations civiles, du droit international humanitaire et même des règles de la guerre.
Meanwhile, there are concerns about a spillover if an invasion occurs. Other countries like Egypt, Iran and Jordan have also cautioned Israel against invading Gaza.